Motorcycles. Focus question. How are motorcycles the same and different? Words to know. Comfortable. Helmet. Motorcycle. Race. Track. Traffic. A motorcycle has two wheels. People ride motorcycles from place to place. This type of motorcycle goes very fast. Some riders race them around the track. This type of motorcycle can go on dirt roads. Some riders use them to do amazing tricks. This type of motorcycle is comfortable. Some riders use them to go on long trips. This type of motorcycle is good in traffic. Some riders use them to go around cities. This type of motorcycles has flashing lights. Some police use them to keep people safe. This type of motorcycle has a sidecar. Some riders take their friends along for a ride. People should wear helmets when they ride motorcycles. Dogs should wear helmets too.